Hey everyone, Road Warrior 72 here. Before the video starts, just wanted to tell you guys that I have created a Facebook page for my Road Warrior 72 YouTube channel. So I'm going to put the link down in the description of the video, and you guys can like it if you want. If not, that's fine. Just wanting to let y'all know it's out there. So enjoy the video. Hey everyone, Road Warrior 72 here. I am rained out from doing any metal detecting, at least for the first part of today. So today's video is going to be a rear brake replacement on my 1987 Ford Mustang. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can tell, I already have the tire off, I already have the drum off, and these brakes are in pretty rough shape. So I think what happened was a spring broke, and that caused the little self-adjuster to pop out, which would have been down here on the bottom, and the rest is history. So fun times. So looking at my parts inventory, you can see I've got the brake shoes, and I've also got the self-adjuster kit to replace both sides. Both of those over there, and then I've got a new spring hardware kit, and of course I have my brake cleaner. So first thing I'm going to do is spray all this down. Here are some of the basic tools I'm going to start out with. I have my brake drum tool. This is very useful. And then just a couple of different, channel locks and pliers. I'm sure the list will grow. But anyway, let's get to it. If I can spray that direction. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is pull off these upper springs. And there we go. I have a feeling that that wheel cylinder is done. You can tell because it just came apart. Alright, sorry about all that unnecessary glare there, but next thing I'm going to do is go on ahead and get my little... Wow, this whole thing's just coming apart. Piece twisted out maybe. When in doubt, use the pliers. Got it. And this shoe, as you can tell, is just completely trashed. Adding to this brake job is going to be wheel cylinders. This one came apart. You see that there's two bolts. There's also the brake line, and then there's the bleeder that we need to pull off to get that wheel cylinder out. So let's get to it. So I've got the bleeder cracked, first of the 2 bolts. Okay. Crack the second one. Okay, the theory is that should be able to just pop this old one right out. That might not be the theory though. If I don't knock the camera over. There we go. And the old one is out. Cool. So here's the new wheel cylinder, and apparently I didn't need to remove the bleeder screw, but that's fine. It means I have one less thing to worry about when I'm putting it back in, but I'm going to go on ahead and do a little bit of cleaning here before I reinstall the new one. Stand by. New wheel cylinder is on. At this point, we just start reassembling. Now is the really fun part. That one. Okay, so you can tell that I've got things put back together there. Next step is get the emergency brake and self-adjuster on. We should be good to go. This side is done. All nice and brand new, pretty. Put the drum on. I did decide to replace this one because the old one was just in too bad a shape. And here we are on the driver's side. And you can see that this side looks a lot better. These shoes are definitely worn out. They're heat cracked. And we're going to replace them. I'd replace them anyway. The wheel cylinder over here looks okay, so I'm probably just going to leave it. Okay, again on the driver's side, everything is all pulled off and ready to start getting everything put back on. Okay, driver's side is done.